This is the Lumex Avance 25 machine from Matsuura, Japan. This machine is the 5th generation, basically increasing the processing speed that we're capable for making the parts. What we have now is a 500 watt laser with a 1 kilowatt option. This is an increase from the previous 400 watt laser, allowing us to process the additive side, the laser side of the parts, much faster than before. On top of that, we also introduce our powder suction function, which allows us to remove a small amount of powder from around the part prior to machining. This in turn allows us to process the machining much faster than before as well. Also, what we're introducing for the first time is the automatic powder recovery system, our APR system. This is a full automatic powder handling system for collection, supply and recycling of the powder material itself. So there's quite a lot of updates coming into the machine, but basically it's all targeted at increasing the processing speed and the productivity of these machines. The Matsuura additive offering is a hybrid offering, so it's with the laser processing plus the CNC machining, and this is ideally suited for the tool and die industry. The advantages of the hybrid process is for the detailed inserts within the mold to be able to produce them without EDM machining, reducing manufacturing time and manufacturing cost. We have a Hungarian customer, Plastelectro. They were actually the first purchasers, our first customers in Europe to take on the Lumex technology. That machine now has been installed for over 1 year, and they've been very successful in producing their own molds. They now have an in-house tool shop based around the Lumex technology and also using the Matsuura CNC machinery as well. There's always continuous improvement within the industry. Matsuura's target is to maintain the development of these machines. That will always be focused on material development. It will also be focused on the productivity of these machines. That's the big challenge now with the additive manufacturing technology, is to bring up the productivity and reduce the cycle times for these parts.